In an increasingly automated world, we need technologies that are not only powerful but also smart and connected. The AGM2 from RINCO Ultrasonics is exactly that, the next generation of ultrasonic generators developed for automated lines and special purpose machines. The LED status display allows quick visual control. With ProConnet, the AGM2 can be configured directly, quickly, individually, and user-friendly. Welding data can be exported at any time via the integrated USB port. Modular communication interfaces from ProConnet to EtherCAT to CANopen make the AGM2 a true all-rounder for any automation environment. Additional digital and analog I/Os and an RS485 interface ensure flexible integration. A well-engineered cooling concept guarantees stability during continuous operation and extends service life. The AGM2 can be effortlessly installed in a control cabinet within your production line. The intuitive ProConnet software enables centralized control and adjustment right at the workstation. Parameters can easily be configured and saved in the user interface. Quality control thanks to individually adjustable limits. Maximum reproducibility through storage of up to 8 parameter sets. Soft start and soft stop for gentle excitation of complex sonotrodes. 6 individual welding modes for more flexibility in your production. All systems are seamlessly connected: communication, power supply, and the appropriate oscillation system. With TÜV certification, energy-efficient technology, and full Industry 4.0 connectivity, the AGM2 is ready for seamless integration into modern production environments. RINCO ULTRASONICS, around you every day.